Okay, had a chance to work on your laundry room. And this is what I came up with. So we have 18-inch upper wall. These are 18 inches deep. 36 inches high. And 30 inches wide. These two cabinets here. I should actually get my mouse highlighter. These two cabinets here. Then, so again, 18 inches deep. This cabinet here is 21 inches deep, and I've got it so it's floating. I didn't want to come all the way out to the edge of this countertop because this, from the wall to the front of this countertop here is about 33 inches. If I did that, then I think this would fall off the wall. We don't want that. The reason being is it's not sitting on the ground. It's floating. So if you look here, because we have the baseboard heat, it's kind of floating there. So I could make this shorter. Right now this is 79.5 inches tall. I'm using semi-custom cabinets, so that allows me to get a custom depth of 18 inches here for the wall cabinets. So I can do a 60-inch tall single door cabinet here if you want to give that baseboard a little bit more breathing room. But I have a panel holding up a countertop here. The countertop goes across here. Another panel over here. Then there's a void right here for the supply lines going to the washing machine. And then if you want, we've got crown molding going to the ceiling with some fascia. Then on the other side, we've got two working drawers and then a cubby hole for storing laundry baskets. This, from the edge of this countertop to here, is about 50 inches. So, that is more than your roof line. Your roof line starts at about 37 inches. So I don't want to get too close to this folding, I guess we'll call it thing over here. But the reason why I started making this 36 inches wide, but it left me with a kind of an awkward space, so I went with 48, and that would give you plenty of room for these two laundry baskets. And then of course there's a countertop on top. The depth of this is about 30 inches. So that's what we got going on there. Then the easy part is the vanity, which is over here. 3 drawers. I couldn't find a semi-custom option with 4 drawers. I can on a fully custom, I believe, but the cabinet gets a little small because we have to have room for this sink. But this is a 34.5 tall cabinet. Let me know if I'm on the right track, or if you want to make an adjustment to this cabinet, or an adjustment to any cabinet for that matter. And I would be happy to make that change. I would probably, I don't know what kind of a countertop you're looking to do in the laundry room, but I probably just laminate would be just fine.